What's up guys, welcome back to iFixTech. Today we're going to demonstrate how to replace a heatsink fan on your Lenovo ThinkPad E14 or E16. Let's get to it. Disconnect the power adapter. Press the power button to turn on the system. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power option from the list. Select Disable built-in battery and click Yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen 7 captive screws. Pry up the edges of the cover to release the clips. Lift the cover from the system. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. Disconnect the antenna cables from the wireless LAN card. Disconnect the fan cable from the system board. Disconnect the I/O board cable from the system board. Remove the antenna cables and the I/O board cable from the guides on the system fan. Loosen 3 screws on the system fan. Lift the system fan from the chassis. Loosen the heatsink screws. Carefully lift the heatsink from the system.
Don't forget to clean the old thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol, and to add new thermal paste before reinstalling the fan.
Place the heatsink into position using the screw holes for alignment. Tighten the heatsink screws. Place the system fan into position using the screw holes for alignment. Tighten 3 screws on the system fan. Insert the antenna cables and I/O board cable into the guides on the system fan. Connect the fan cable to the system board. Connect the I/O board cable to the system board. Connect the black antenna cable to the auxiliary terminal. Connect the gray antenna cable to the main terminal. Connect the battery cable to the system board. Place the cover onto the chassis and press down around the edges to snap the clips into place. Tighten the 7 captured screws to secure the cover.